Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I wanted to ask, are you using the free Google account for your business? That is, that when you created the Google account, you can turn on business personalization. I've got a how to do it when you look at the show notes, the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. I've got a link in there on the Google Knowledge Base on creating a Google account, how to set up the thing so it's got all of the business features that you can have, like sending and receiving email with Gmail, or finding a new favorite video on YouTube, because, Google owns YouTube, and then download any of the apps that they've got in Google Play. So if you've got a Chromebook or a mobile device you want an app for, there you have it. You've got the login. So create the Google account. On the left-hand side, under People and Sharing, under Business Features, click Business Personalization and turn it on. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.